In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swipe animation in Canva. This is a great way to add some dynamic movement to your designs, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this quickly and easily. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you're not already familiar, Canva is a user-friendly design tool that you can access via any web browser or through their app. Once you've logged in, navigate to your homepage, which is a hub for all your creative activities. Next, it's time to create a new design. Simply go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Create a Design button. Here, you'll see a variety of size options. Choose the one that best fits your project needs. Whether you're creating social media posts, a presentation, or a digital flyer, Canva has the templates ready for you. For this tutorial, let's go with a standard social media post size to keep things simple. Now, with your blank canvas ready, it's time to add your main content. This could be text, images, or other elements that you want to include. Simply drag and drop them onto your canvas, or use Canva's rich library of graphics and photos. Organize these elements as you see fit, keeping in mind the message you want to convey. Once you've added your content, focus on creating movement. At the bottom of your canvas, you'll find an option to duplicate your page. By doing this, you'll create multiple slides with slight variations. On each duplicated page, make small changes. These could be the position of an image, the size of text, or adding new elements. These changes will be key in creating the swipe animation effect. After setting up your duplicated pages with their individual tweaks, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Animate. This is where the magic begins. Under the Page Animation section, you'll find options like Slide and Pan. Choose the one that best suits the feel of your design. Both options provide a smooth transition between pages, mimicking a swipe effect. Now, to refine your animation further, click on the transition icon between the pages and select Match and Move. This tool allows for seamless transition, aligning elements from one page to the next and creating a fluid movement that enhances the swipe effect. Once you've previewed your animation and are satisfied with the result, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. For ensuring the animation plays correctly, download your design as an MP4 file. And there you have it, a stunning swipe animation ready to captivate your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different elements and settings. Until next time, happy designing with Canva.